Good morning, children. I am your social science teacher. Today, let us move on to our subject revision, children. That is social science revision. I'll be discussing today, children. See, children, as you all know that our exams will start from 2nd of November, children. So, according to the CBSE pattern, your question paper will consist of 5 groups, children. That is A, B, C, D and E. See, children, question number 1 to 16, it carries 1 mark objective type questions. Question number 17 to 22, it is short answers carrying 3 marks each. 23 to 26 is source based questions carries 4 marks each. So here source based questions means I will be giving you a paragraph of your textbook of any lesson. On that paragraph there will be questions. You will have to answer it and each question carries 4 marks, children. 27 to 31 is 5 marks long answers where you will have to write at least 6 to 7 points you have to write. 32.1 is history map 2 marks. 32.2 is your geography map 3 marks. Okay, children. Now see, all the questions here are compulsory. You have to answer all the question and answers. Today I will be discussing about the French Revolution and socialism in Russian Revolution. Today about these 2 lessons, let us move on to the questions and let us discuss about it, children. First, I'll read out the questions and then I will tell you the answers, children. State any 5 causes for the empty treasure of France under Louis XVI. See, children, here this question can be for 3 marks or for 5 marks also it can be. So how you will write it is 5 causes for the empty treasure of France under Louis XVI are. What was the causes you will have to write, children? First point, long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. Second point, the high cost of maintenance of the immense palace of Versailles and court. Third point, under Louis XVI, France helped the 13 American colonies to gain independence from Britain. Fourth point, war added more than $1 billion livres to a debt that had already risen to more than 2 billion livres. Lenders who gave the state credit began to charge high interest on loans. See, children, I have neatly explained the 5 points for this answer. You will if it is for 3 marks, you have to write 3 points, and if it is for 5 marks, you have to write 5 points, children. And the next question is, explain any 5 economic conditions of France that led to the revolution. See here how you will answer is, the first line you have to write economic conditions of France. First point, constant wars. Second point, cost of maintaining extravagant court at the immense palace of Versailles. Extension of help to American countries. Increase in debt by war. Rise in rate of interest by 10%. Or any other relevant points also you can write to this answer, children. The next question here is, describe the status of the nobles in France before the revolution. See, children, here for this the question will be of 3 type also it can be given. Why was the National Assembly formed by the people of the Third Estate? Explain. Or give reasons as to why was the National Assembly formed by the people of the Third Estate. For this answer is, reasons you have to write here. On 5th May 1789, Louis XVI called an assembly of the Estates General to pass proposal for new taxes. The first and second estates sent 300 representatives each to the assembly, while 600 members of the third estate were present there. Voting in the estates general in the past had been conducted according to the principles that each estate had one vote. Understood, children? The next question is, describe the status of the noble in the French Revolution. See here, the clergy and the nobles led a life of luxury and enjoyed numerous privileges. The middle class, comprising of lawyers, doctors, teachers, etc., also suffered humiliation at the hands of the clergy and the nobles. The nobles further enjoyed feudal privileges. Nobles were excepted from paying taxes. See, children, these 5 points you will have to write. And the next lesson is socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. See, children, here the first question will be, how the liberals were not Democrats? Explain which line about that. Understand? So for this answer, it can be for 3 marks or even it can be for 5 marks, children. If it is for 3 marks, you will have to write only 3 points as I told you. The views of radicals were as follows. The radicals wanted to bring about immediate social change in Russia. They wanted to form a government based on the majority of country's population. They were against private properties. And any other relevant points also you can write for this answer, children. The next question is, what is socialism? Mention its 4 features. Socialism is a body of ideas to restructure society on equal status. Its 4 features are, it is against ownership of private property. Society as a whole should control the property collectively. It stands for collective social interest rather than personal gains. Socialism was in favor of cooperatives and that wages should be given according to work done. So children, these are the 5 questions today I will be giving you for tomorrow. In the live class, you will have a UT, children. So prepare well and you will have to write the test in the class. All the best, children. Thank you all once again.